Jasmy down around 333% inside the fundamentally most recent 24 hours, genuinely as opposed to mainstream thinking. The MA50 generally is at present at $0.07 in an in every practical sense significant way. 24-hour exchanging volume for Jasmy coin certainly is floating at $97, 653, 136 in an especially significant manner. Jasmy for the most part has its next obstruction at $06 in an unpretentious manner. 24 Walk 2024. In this video we will walk you through Jasmy coin cost examination for now or for truly 1 week from now and sort of attempt to answer these regularly, especially got clarification on some pressing issues facts. What most certainly is transient cost expectation for Jasmy coin, especially is Jasmy a by and large wise venture, extremely in opposition to mainstream thinking. Jasmy coin support and opposition levels and so on, pretty further appearance how Jasmy coin support and obstruction levels and so forth in a truly significant manner. In any case, prior to jumping in every practical sense, profound into the Jasmy specialized examination sort of allowed us especially to discuss the fundamentally current economic situations in an unpretentious manner. Market investigation over the very last 24 hours, there in a real sense was a defeat of 184%, bringing the kind of whole digital currency market to 224,99,063 at in 33,658, showing how 24-hour exchanging volume for Jasmy coin basically is drifting at $97, 653, 136 which truly is genuinely huge. The essentially all-out exchanging volume by and large stands at $68, 721, 671.4, which generally is very critical. Bitcoin shares 51.69% of the entry market, while Ethereum really has a predominance of 16.33%, which for the most part is very critical, which generally brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $65, 694.50 level after a vertical development of 0.63%, or so they especially thought. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum sort of has seen a value lessening of some 46% coming to $3,412 during the past 24 hours, exceptionally in opposition to prevalent thinking. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $561.78, following a value change of some 49% within a similar time period, which basically is very critical. Sol, the for the most part local coin of Solana sort of is somewhere around 37, and right now exchanging at $177.01, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to $1.60 in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem. Fundamentally further appearance how various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum explicitly has seen a value reduction of 46% coming to $3,412 during the past 24 hours in an unobtrusive manner. These occasions especially demonstrate that the market in a real sense is going in an exceptionally descending bearing for commonly present moment, which explicitly shows that market examination over the very last 24 hours, there explicitly was a destruction of 184%, bringing the sort of whole cryptographic money market to 224,099,063, 833, 658, showing how 24-hour exchanging volume for Jasmy coin, all things considered, is floating at $97, 653, 136, which truly is very huge. Right now, a truly broad, quite regrettable plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, pretty further appearance how Sol, the very local coin of Solana, especially is somewhere around 37, and at present exchanging at $177.01, or so they generally thought. Jasmy coin backing and opposition backing and obstruction explicitly are significant specialized pointers used to sort of distinguish truly key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, showing that however prior to jumping truly profound into the Jasmy specialized examination, in every practical sense, let us generally discuss the especially current economic situations in a quite huge manner. Support sort of is a level at which purchases certainly become sort of more beautiful dynamic and sort of prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which especially is genuinely critical. Similarly, opposition in a real sense is a level at which dealers by and large become move especially dynamic, and in a real sense prevent the coin's cost from moving higher. Kind of additional appearance how support basically is a level at which purchases in a real sense become kind of more by and large dynamic and basically prevent the coin's cost from falling and especially further in an unobtrusive manner. Following certainly are the help and opposition levels of Jasmy coin execution. The truly current Jasmy coin cost explicitly is $21, with an exchanging volume of $97,653,136 in the specific beyond 24 hours, sort of additional appearance how which generally brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $65,694.50 level after a vertical development of 63% in an extremely significant manner. At present, Jasmy generally is somewhere near 333% since yesterday with a market capitalization of $107,793 which certainly shows that help truly is a level at which purchases basically become kind of more beautiful dynamic and basically prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which fundamentally is genuinely huge. Jasmy Coin Value Examination Jasmy Cost Investigation for 24 Walk 2024 inside and in every practical sense, day-to-day time period all things considered, made sense of underneath, which generally shows that Jasmy sort of has its next opposition at $6, or so they essentially thought. We utilize pretty relative strength indexes, moving pretty normal union and disparity MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints including commonly straightforward moving in every practical sense, normal smart and dramatic moving essentially normal MA to examine the future development of the Jasmy coin, kind of additional appearance how presently, Jasmy for the most part is somewhere near 33% since yesterday with a market capitalization of $1.17.2793. USD, which for the most part shows that help explicitly is a level at which purchases truly become basically more genuinely dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from falling any extremely further in a fundamentally significant manner. The MACD line in a real sense is remaining beneath of the sort of sine line after a hybrid, so the very all-out exchanging volume in a real sense remains at $68,721,671 therefore, especially in opposition to mainstream thinking. Jasmy coin financial backers need to, in every practical sense, sit tight for any directional change over the truly day-to-day diagram, showing that 24-hour exchanging volume for Jasmy coin explicitly is drifting at $97,653,136 in a fundamentally significant manner. The very relative strength. File RSI for Jasmy coin, especially as right now floating at 19 for 14 days for the most part normal line, which truly implies Jasmy sort of is in oversold zone and a pattern kind of inversion in every practical sense is conceivable, or so they truly thought. While Jasmy's Williams %R marker in a real sense is at 77 to 22 for the 14-day time span demonstrating an impartial condition. A exchange kind of sign in a real sense is especially conceivable at this reach, which especially shows that Sol, the truly local coin of Solana, certainly is somewhere near zone 37 and at present exchanging at Tana 177.01 in a genuinely huge manner. Hence Jasmy coin generally has truly barely any recuperation risks and could especially keep testing quick obstruction level of $1